led by our founder and CEO, Ambassador Dr. Bobby Misa Bringon. From DIPCA, we have General Lucrecio Pincian, General Emeritus Dr. Sevilio Tamayo, Major General Shike Lu, Dr. Ferdinand Glor, Lieutenant General Jovi Ann Layosa, Lady Queen Ambassadress Dr. Marilu Hani Tamayo, Engineer Ronald Tamayo, Lieutenant General Reverend Eddie Gualvez, Sancher Mira Cabayan Vice Mayor Honorable Acela Sacrano, our Emeritus Bishop Ernie Captalan, to all of our officials and members, and of course our Vice Governor Cecilia Araneta Marcos, our councilors from the city of Gawad. We have Brian Alcid and Kiko Ang, Cap Joji Kalapao of Batak is also here. And to all of you, very good afternoon sa ating lahat. Una-una, I would like to thank the World Council for bestowing this honor upon me. I am humbled and honored to be here with you and to accept this award. And of course, I accept this award on behalf of the entire provincial government. This is always a team effort, and I always like to give thanks and to give credit where it's due to everyone at the provincial government of ILOCOS NORTE. And I'd like to commend our World Council for your humanitarian efforts. And please know that you will always be welcome here in ILOCOS NORTE, for we welcome ito pong mga NGOs and private organizations. We know that with your help, more people can be assisted and can be protected and can be helped. Kaya, thank you very, very much. I wish your organization many more years of success, and to all of you, many, many more years of health and happiness. Maraming salamat po. Diyos tiyakin.
I'll be taking the opportunity to be with us na po, our Governor, the Vice Governor on stage, the Vice Mayor, and the other politicians, na po, together with our generals, to give the official oath of ceremony as the honorary member of the World Council. First batch po ng ating mga bagong nominees po. At ngayon, we will be enlightened more of the Ilocanos and Ilocanas. Maraming salamat po, Governor. At to be assisted by our generals. Hindi na po sila, i-assist na lang sila. Kayo po ay amin pong malugod na ginagawaran at gagawaran pang muli, hindi lang sa ngayon. Naglingkod man po, hindi ay tinikilala talaga namin ang mga gawa ng Pilipino. Lalo na po kayo na nasa gobyerno, hindi namin din matawaran ang inyong paglilingkod. The symbol of lighting the candles is for you to become the light and salt of this world. Kami from the NGO and the private sector po ay katuwang ninyo sa anumang hamon na meron tayo dito po sa bayan, ating pong sinilangan sa Pilipinas. Kaya po, kanihan sa lighter, Lady Queen. From our Lady Queen Ambassadors, ipapasa po ang inyong light sa inyo. Passing the light of the candle, you are also passing the light to the Ilocos Norte constituents po natin. Nawa po'y maging inspirasyon po namin kayo mula sa ating mahal na gobernador, vice-gobernador, and the rest ng ating mga government officials po. Maraming salamat po. Thank you for passing the light. This is your first. Take ko na po yung isa. Another one, please. Once again, palapakanan naman po natin ang ating mga bagong gagawaran natin ng mga dangal ng karangalan sa bayan ng Ilocos. As you are holding the candle, and please raise your right hand and repeat after me. Ako si, pakisabi ko ang inyong buong pangalan. Na sumusumpa at tutupad sa paglilingkod sa Diyos, sa bayan, sa komunidad, at pamilya. Tulungan nawa ako ng Diyos. Salamat sa Diyos. Congratulations po. Welcome po to the World Council. Let us have our photographs. Once again, headed by our governor, talapakan po natin sila lahat. Thank you so much po. You will not do your time.
Naimbaga madam kada kayo aming apo. Good afternoon to everyone. I would like to really greet our host, Dr. Bobby Misa Primon. Truly, nakaka-impress naman po ang iyong curriculum vitae at talagang mahaba na gusto. And talagang all that is because you have given the Lord the glory and the honor. And of course, ang unang-unang po nakilala po ay si Dr. Marilu Haning Tamayo. Siya po ay aking doktor. During that time po, nakakahiya man sabihin, pero medyo siguro dahil sa pagka-mature ko na, nagkaroon na po ako ng rayuma yata yun. And she treated me with acupuncture. I was really very happy, and I was very happy with the service and the friendship that has come about. And I would like to thank all our visitors that are here. Welcome po to Ilocos Norte. And also our Vice Mayor from our Karuba town, Cagayan, Sanchez Mira, malapit lang po yun. Parang right after Pagudpud, Sanchez Mira. Tapos, ang kasama ko po sa Lawag City na councilors na very active po, si Councilor Brian Alcid and Councilor Enrico Ang. Palagi kami nakikita kung saan-saan. And you know, it really is an honor that you have chosen us to be awarded with the Award of Excellence, because definitely that is the one of the things that as a public servant, that is what we always strive for, excellence in our service in the community. And only because we serve an excellent God, and that is why we do that as well. And I have to say it's not an award for a politician, but for a public servant. That is what we do. And also, I've been looking at all your AVPs, and I have somehow been so impressed because of the service that you give to the community. You indeed have been truly blessed, Dr. Bobby, because you have been a channel of blessings for a lot of the communities, not only in Ilocos, but in the whole Philippines. So we look forward to partnering with you here in Ilocos Norte so that we can also share the blessings with the community here in Ilocos Norte. And also the other thing is that as you become a blessing, you know, when you give, the Lord always honors that. And especially when you give with a cheerful heart. The blessings comes back. Ang tinatawag nila siksik, liklik, at umaapaw. Kaya po, talagang nasisiyahan po ako na ito po, talagang maganda ang inyong mga goals and ang gusto nyong i-achieve. Kaya we are also honored to be partnering with you. Anyway, I'm glad the World Council Excellence Awards Ministry. I'm glad the Dr. Mabi. I'm glad the Dr. Marilu. So thank you so much. Continue doing the good works and God will reward you in Jesus' name.
So ayun guys, I hope you like that video and please like, comment, and share kung nagustuhan nyo po yung video ng mga ganyan. And subscribe na rin sa Apong Lens channel kung hindi pa kayo nakaka-subscribe, and click that notification bell para sa mga ganitong updates. So once again, this is again your Konyo Boy, Apong Glen Rappen, English, Ilocano, Aglalaok. Yo, peace out. Bye-bye. Yoo-hoo. Bye.